No more confusion about models, brands, or quality. After watching this video, you will know exactly which shingle to install on your roof. I'm Clay, and this is Roofing Nation. For over 10 years, our company has been serving South Florida homeowners, improving quality of life by providing peace of mind with durable roofs. When it comes to roofing in Florida, asphalt shingles are the most common choice, and for good reasons. They offer one of the most affordable options on the market, while providing solid performance in our climate. You can find plenty of videos that just list brand names. But this video is different. We are going to help you actually understand and compare your options so you can choose the best fit for your home and budget. You're still wondering if shingles are right for you? We have other videos that dive deeper into that question. Be sure to check them out. Now, just like any other materials, not all shingles are the same. It's important you understand the key differences so you can avoid scams and make sure your roofer doesn't cut corners. Let's start with the basics. In the world of asphalt shingles, there are two main types you need to know. Number one, standard architectural shingles. Examples include Owens Kerning, Duration, and CertainTeed Landmark. These are a major upgrade from basic 3-tap shingles. They are thicker, multi-layered, and built to resist high wind, often more than 130 miles per hour. Fight algae and meet Florida codes. You get reliable performance at a great value. Number two, premium architectural shingles. Examples are GAF Timberline UHDZ or CertainTeed Landmark Pro. These are heavier, up to 20% thicker, for a more dimensional look. They offer richer colors, longer algae warranties, and minor durability upgrades. While often marketed as Ultra or Pro, impact ratings are usually similar to standard shingles. So you're mostly paying for enhanced looks and warranties. So what does that upgrade actually get you? Upgrading adds 10 to 25% more to your roof cost, an extra $700 to $1,300 on average home, or $7,500 for a larger roof. But what does that extra money buy? Primarily, you are paying for better looks and deeper shadows, heavier weight, not always longer life, and slightly better warranties. But in South Florida's harsh climate, both standard and premium shingles last about 20 to 30 years. The premium one won't last more than 8 years longer to justify the cost, especially if you move every 5 to 10 years like many Floridians. Now let's get specific. We will focus on the 3 main shingle brands you will see in Florida. And just to be clear, this isn't a paid promotion. We are giving you the straight facts to help you compare. GAF Timberline Series. GAF is one of the most popular brands in Florida, and for good reason. Their shingles are reliable, easy to find, and hold up well to our heat, humidity, and storms. Here are 2 main types you will see. Timberline UHDZ, the solid standard. This is a GAF's dependable, everyday architectural shingle. Strong, often qualifies for high wind warranties. Algae protection, built in to prevent dark streaks. Sun or heat defense, good granule adhesion to resist damage. Install feature, layer lock technology for a tight, secure seal. Best for homeowners who want reliable performance at a fair price. Timberline UHDZ, the premium upgrade. This is the thicker, more luxurious looking version of the UHDZ. Main difference, about 20% thicker and heavier for a more 3D look. Aesthetic feature, dual shadow line, creates deeper, richer shadows. Algae protection, 10% more protection than UHDZ. Color, more vibrant colors that fade slower. Bottom line, you're mostly paying for better looks and a slight durability dump. Stone performance is very similar to UHDZ, unless upgraded for impact. Quick take, choose UHDZ for value and choose UHDZ if you want the best possible appearance and don't mind the extra cost. Owens Corning Duration Series. Owens Corning is another top brand in Florida, known for excellent storm resistance, especially their short nail technology, a reinforced strip that holds nails tighter to fight wind uplift in hurricanes. Here's a look at their two main options. Duration, the all-around performer. This is their reliable, heavy-duty architectural shingle built for Florida weather. Wind resistance, excellent with the short nail zone for superior hold. Algae protection, strong against streaks. Storm feature, short nail technology for enhanced wind resistance. Durability, priced for long-term reliability in sun and heat. Best for homeowners wanting trusted performance and great value. Duration Flex, the impact specialist. This is the upgraded version built to handle hail and flying debris. Key technology, made with SBS polymer, a rubber like asphalt, for flexibility and toughness. Impact rating, earns the highest Class 4 impact resistance rating. Best for maximum protection against hail and storm debris. Financial benefit, often qualifies for significant home insurance discounts in Florida. Quick take, choose standard duration for prevent all-around performance. Choose Duration Flex if you want the strongest impact protection and potential insurance savings. A very smart upgrade in storm-prone Florida. CertainTeed Landmark Series. CertainTeed is known for producing heavier shingles with a wide color selection and premium high-quality feel. Here is how their two main options compare. Landmark, the reliable workhorse. This is their dependable and code-compliant architectural shingle. Built thick and layered for a classic dimensional look. Wind resistance, solid performance for most Florida storms. Algae protection, good protection against streaks. Warranties backed by strong manufacturer warranties. Best for homeowners seeking a trusted, affordable option that meets all Florida requirements. Landmark Pro, the premium heavyweight. This is the enhanced version with more material and refined aesthetics. Key difference, about 20% thicker and heavier than a standard Landmark. Appearance, bold 3D look with richer, more vibrant colors. Durability, slightly better wind and weather resistance from the extra weight. Impact rating often includes Class 3 or better impact resistance. Warranty typically comes with a longer algae protection warranty. Best for those wanting a more substantial look and feel with minor durability upgrades. Quick take, choose standard Landmark for proven performance on a budget. Choose Landmark Pro if you prefer a premium aesthetic and heavier build and are willing to pay more for it. Quick wrap up for your decision in South Florida. Let's bring it all together. First, the most important thing to remember, installation is everything. Even the best shingle will fail if it is not installed correctly. That means using Florida-approved products, following code like using 6 nails per shingle where required, considering impact-resistant upgrades if available. With that in mind, here's your simple decision guide. Option 1. Choose a standard shingle for the best value. Models: GAF Timberline UHDZ, Owens Kerning Duration, CertainTeed Landmark. Why? You get excellent storm performance, reliable edge protection, and strong durability without the premium price tag. This is the smartest financial choice for most homeowners. Option 2. Consider a premium upgrade for a specific reason. Models: GAF Timberline UHDZ, Owens Kerning Duration Flex, CertainTeed Landmark Pro. Why? You are paying extra for one of 3 things: better looks, maximum impact protection, and longer warranties. For the best return on investment, a standard architectural shingle like Duration or a Timberline UHDZ is usually the right call. If you upgrade, make it for a functional reason, like the impact-resistant Duration Flex for potential insurance savings, not just for looks alone. So, thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, check out our full playlist on roofing materials for more guides like this one. We are here to help you make the best decision for your home. See you on the next video.